Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with following distance indicator, OnStar emergency communication system, automatic emergency braking, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB charging ports, heated driver and front passenger seat, front pedestrian braking, comfort and convenience package, Buick infotainment system, forward collision alert, and has less than 10,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.